Winter is never easy season for me, when the daylight is much shorter and there's more cold, gray, and raining days. When I do not notice, at the end of February, every day, the daylight is getting longer. I hear more birds singing. I see more color added to the tree, and there's more sunny and warmer day. It's spring actually coming. Look at all the flower blossom anywhere in Wicklow Island. I have missed them so much, and now they're actually coming back. There's more color than ever before. I feel life everywhere I go. Everything's left in the winter now has been waken up by the spring. The forest in the spring is so much different. The birds are singing, netting, and looking for a mate. Squirrels wake up after long sleep in the winter, and the tree was so gray and now starts sprouting. And at the faraway mountain, I can see the green is coming back. Ireland is in lockdown right now for a few months. More than ever, I found myself a lucky person to live in Bray, where I can go to the beach and feel local forests within the restriction allowance. It is worth it to climb up over here. I had to say yes. It's a breathtaking view from the top of Bray Head. From here you can see Bray Beach and the whole of Dublin, surrounded by hills and mountains. The sign of spring is not only from the flower blossom, it's also from the early spring hope, and one of them is common sorrow. If you look carefully around your garden, your park, and the forest, you can easily find the green leaf of common sorrow are popping up now anywhere. Mother Nature sometimes gives me some present. Gray oyster is not something that I can find every day. It's one of the most delicious mushrooms in the forest in winter and early spring. Many people may not know about wood ear mushroom, the most common mushroom of winter and early spring. Not only food but also medical mushroom. It has been used in Asia and particularly in my own country, where I am from, for many centuries. I grew up with wood ear mushroom. I love wood ear cuisine. There's so many different dishes I can cook with them, from pork bun, hot pot, spring roll to dessert. Lockdown is hard for anyone, and for me as well, especially at the beginning. My body become more tired, and I normally did a lot of exercise before. I do hiking very often, normally 2 or 3 times a week. With the restriction, I no longer can go for hiking in my favorite trails in Wicklow Mountain. I found myself less active. I slept longer and did less exercise. Working from home making me even spend more time on computer than when I worked in the office every day before.
So beautiful, just look at them. I think it's the most beautiful creature in the forest in the winter. Cannot find anything that looks so beautiful. And when fresh, whose ears smell very nice as well.
Now I learn to appreciate things around me. Lockdown is a chance to slow down my busy life and give me opportunities to learn and listen to nature.
Yes, that's so beautiful. Look at them all around the forest right now.
I explore my local forest, where I normally overlooked before. I found for myself new favorite trail, and especially, I no longer rush to finish my long hiking trip. I walk more slow, look at the tree, the sky, and listen to birds every day. My favorite spring vegetable, 3-corner leaf, from onion family. Long green leaf, strong onion smell, and the small look like spring onion bulb. When you pick them, always double check the smell. 3-corner leaf need to have the smell of strong onion. Some people may mistake them with bluebell, daffodil, or even snowdrop. One of my easy favorite foods, mushroom hotspot. Spring is here in my Wicklow forest. There will be more work to show you how beautiful the spring in the Garden County of Ireland. Until next time, please spend more time to go for a walk around your area. You may find some surprise present from Mother Nature, but always make sure you know what you are doing and never taking any risk.